What is going on, guys? The Abundant Alchemist here, helping you get financially free by curating as much information as humanly possible every day for you. Like, share, and subscribe. You will get value out of this channel. So, right now, as you can see, if you follow the crypto space, Bitcoin has retraced to about 30 grand. It scraped 29,000 or so. And Ethereum, I think, was at the about 1,050, 1,100 mark. It's nothing to panic about. Hopefully, you were wise enough to buy a little bit more at these dips. A lot of people are saying, including me, that it could potentially go to 28, 27, 26, 25. I'm not feeling that way at this moment because of what I'm seeing the market do. So I got back in completely into my positions. And if it does, you know what? I'm going to do what the majority of people that I actually look up to are doing. They didn't even sell when it started going to 33, 32, and 31, and 30, right? They didn't even sell. They're just holding. Because you have to understand, these people that I learned from, they have such a large amount of Bitcoin that I assume, it's like it would seem crazy to take that large of a risk in selling to have it then have the market move upwards and get left behind. That would be pretty much devastating in the middle of a bull market to exit so early. I was willing to do that, right? And luckily, I was able to get back in. Not really luckily, because I'm looking at the charts and the market sentiment, right? I strongly believe we've reached the bottom right now in this correction for now. We may see a dip, though. I know that the stock market, the S&P, has dipped a little bit, and that's perfectly fine. I also believe that the stock market will continue to rally up. It's just it's traveling in a certain channel right now, and we have touched, as far as the S&P goes, touched the top of that channel. So it's going to be traveling upwards, but bouncing between that channel as it rises up. Bitcoin's a little different, right? It's a little more volatile due to the nature that it's a new asset. It's more speculative, meaning that it's has less history. So people, are in it for different reasons. A lot of people don't believe in it. A lot of people do, but they see it as just a way of making money and don't really see its use case. So, with all that said, I feel confident that both Ethereum and Bitcoin will continue to rally up, even if it means that we'll dip and maybe go sideways for 1 or 2 weeks. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's possible. Okay, we are entering the altcoin season, and I believe that I strongly believe that the top 10, top 50 coins will be strongly performing well. Also, here's a tip that I got from a whale in the space, Patreon. Patreon looks like it's gonna 100x. Not financial advice, just what I'm planning on doing with my money. Links below. If you know me, I use token metrics in order to utilize AI and quant grade. Bill Noble and Ian Bellina are doing great things over there. Also, BlockFi, which is where I've been doing the majority of my trading during these couple of days, allows you to accrue interest on your crypto and even your fiat. 8% for the US dollar interest. You don't get that from any bank. Ridiculous. So even if you don't like crypto, you could just use BlockFi and stash your fiat, your US dollar that's getting pumped more and more and more by the Fed and losing value. At least it could kind of offset the inflation. Let's see. Do I want to say anything else? I'll be back on here later on. Peace.